You do not need to travel to the United States or leave your country to file your LLC or get your ITIN. You can get everything done from the comfort of your home in just a few weeks using only your smartphone. No flight ticket, no visa stress, no embassy appointment. You can form your LLC from Nigeria or anywhere in the world and get your ITIN approved, all without stepping foot inside the United States one single time. I am going to show you exactly how to form your LLC and get your ITIN done step by step. Everything you need is already on your phone right now. Watch this video to the end and let us jump straight into it.
So guys, this is the platform that will help you form your LLC or your ITIN number. So if you are from Nigeria or any country in the world, you are not located in US and you want to form your LLC or your ITIN number, you need ITIN. All you need to know is just to come to this website. So I'm going to leave down the link to this website in the description of this video or the comment section of this video. So go and check it out and you click on it and it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, we are going to see where it says LLC, ITIN, or both. Apply online from Nigeria. So, access US banking. You can see all these things. So, all you just need to do, just click on ITIN. As you can see ITIN here. So, you can fill your name here, your full name. As you can see, say enter your full name. So, if you want to form your LLC, just enter your full name here, or your ITIN, just enter your full name. And after you enter your full name, you come down here. So if you are looking for LLC or EIN or your business address, all you just need to do, just click on this box you are seeing here. Now, when you click on this box, you are going to fill in your name here, your full name. So, for example, let me say this is my full name here. This is just an example to show you guys how it works. And you're also going to select the state you want to form your LLC from. So if you are choosing the wall, you are going to leave it at the wall. So as you can see, for you to be able to get this LLC, you are going to be spending $398. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to use my promo code and you are going to get 50% discount using my promo code. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to do that. Now, as you can see, your order, you just click on order. But before we click on order, let's check out more things about this platform. As you can see, it's easy than you thought. Fill out our simple form on your dashboard. So just read down, as you can see, just read down so that you are going to learn more about this platform. Now, as you can see, over 70,000 people from 152 countries have chosen us since 2017. So these are other platforms that they are partnered with, as you can see, like Pioneer and other platforms. Even other platform. So reason why you need TIN. So you can also come down and check their review, how people have been reviewing this platform, how people have this platform have helped people to get their ITIN and also form their LLC. So all you just need to do, just check on this review. So let's check out these reviews together and see how people have reviewed this platform, what people have talked about this platform, if it's helped them. Now, as you can see, it have 5-star rating. As you can see, 5-star rating here. And now let's come down to people summary of review. Now, as you can see, review. This person say, I had a great experience with the ITIN number. Now, ITIN.com. And this review was made 7 April 2026. As you can see, this one was made October 21, 2025. This one was made 11 February 2026. You can click on see more and you are going to see a lot of review, how people have been reviewing this platform. You are going to see it. So before you also check it out, you can decide to check review, how people have reviewed, how people have talked about this platform, how this platform have helped them form their LLC. So, and also if you are not okay with that and you want to chat their customer support, you can also chat their customer support because they are always online 24/7. Let me show you how you are going to do that. So if you want to chat their support team, all you need to do is just to come down to the interface of the platform. You are going to see this chat box here, this message box here, below here. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, it will take you to where you can chat their support. So if you are review the platform and you want to work with the platform, you want to form your LLC, all you need to do, just click on order now. As you can see, order now here, and you click on order now. Now, immediately you click on order now, it's going to check your name. As you can see, it's going to scan your name, search for the name you put. If those name is still available for you, you are going to know. So as you can see, the ITIN application added to your chart. So now, this is what you need to spend. As you can see, this is what you need to spend to get your ITIN or your LLC. But all you just need to do, if you want to get 50% discount, just click on show order summary. As you can see, show order summary here, you click on it and you come down to I have a promo code. As you can see, you click on it. Now you are going to write what is showing right now on your screen. You are going to write Numpay Flavor TV. Numpay Flavor TV, the way it's showing right now on your screen. Numpay Flavor TV 50. So the way it's showing right now on your screen, Numpay Flavor TV 50, just the way it's showing right now on your screen. Sorry, when I was writing it, I have a mistake. So this is how it's supposed to be. Numpay Flavor TV 50. And after you write this Numpay Flavor TV 50, you click on apply. Now, when you click on apply, it's going to apply and remove 50% discount from the money you are supposed to spend. So if you want to form your LLC, your ITIN, everything, you're supposed to be spending 746. But if you use my promo code Numpay Flavor TV, you are going to be spending 698. 50% discount is going to be removed. So don't forget, before you make payment, make sure you put Numpay Flavor TV 50 so that you are going to get 50% discount. And after that, all you need to do is just to put your email address here, your first name, your last name, your company name, your address, ITN, your country, your zip code, state, every information. You fill it there and also fill all this your payment information. And after you have done, the next thing you are going to do is to click on complete order. And immediately you are going to receive a mail on your Gmail account, the email you put here. You are going to receive a mail. So they are going to send you a mail and ask you for your information and other information. They are going to chat you one-on-one and ask you for your information and every information you need to form your LLC or to get your ITIN number. And immediately you submit it, in less than some week, they are going to get you your ITIN number and send it to you on your mail. Everything is going to be sent to your mail. So this is how this platform have helped a lot of people to form their LLC. So LLC and also their ITIN. So if you need ITIN or you need to form your LLC, this platform is going to help you out. So you can decide to chat them, make your own research about this platform, and if you're okay with it, you can try it out. And don't forget to use my promo code Numpay Flavor TV 50 as is showing right now on your screen. And if you use my promo code, you are going to get 50% discount. So this is how this platform works. So I don't want to place any order right now because I have already have my ITIN and also my LLC. So I'm just showing you guys how you can get it online in less than 1 week without you traveling to US or without you travel out of your country. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.